So today we will see the compiler design. So computers are balanced mix of the software and hardware. Hardware is just a piece of mechanical device and its functions are being controlled by a compatible software. The hardware understands instructions in the form of electronic charge, which is the counterpart of binary language in software programming. The binary language has only two alphabets 0 and 1. We know that. So, to instruct the hardware codes must be written in binary format, which is simply a series of ones and zeros. It would be difficult and cumbersome task for the computer programmer to write such a code, which is why we have a compilers to write such a code. So we will see the language processing system. We have learned that any computer system is made up of a hardware and software. The hardware understands a language which human cannot understand. So we write a program in high level language, which is easier for us to understand and remember. These programs there are then fed into a series of tools and operating system components to get the desired code that can be used by the machine. This is known as a language processing system. So here diagram is shown for this. It consists of preprocessor, compiler, assembler, linker, loader, memory. So source code is given to the preprocessor. It is pre-processed code, then it is given to the compiler, then it is target assembly code given to the assembler. From that it is relocatable machine code which is given to then the linker. Linker has two signals, that is the library file, the modules. Then from linker it is executable machine code which is given to the loader and to the next to the memory. So the high level language is converted into a binary language in various phases. The high level language is converted into a binary language in various phases. A compiler is a program which converts high level language to assembly language. Similarly, an assembler is a program that converts the assembly language into the machine language. So compiler convert high level to assembly and assembler convert assembly language to the machine level language. So first we understand how a program using C compiler is executed on a host machine. So first is user write a program in C language, that is high level language. Then the C compiler compile the program and translate it to assembly program, that is low level language. And assembler then translate the assembly program into machine code. A linker tool is used to link all the parts of the program together for execution, that is executable machine code. A loader loads all of them into the memory and then the program is executed. So before getting straight into the concept of compiler, we understand few other tools such as preprocessor, interpreter, assembler and linker. So what is compiler? Compiler convert high level language to assembly language. And what is assembler? Assembler convert assembly language into machine level language. Okay. Now what is preprocessor? So preprocessor generally considered as a part of compiler. It is a tool that produces input for compilers. It deals with macro processing, augmentation, file inclusion, language extension, etc. An interpreter, like a compiler, translates high-level language into low-level machine language. The difference lies in the way they read the source code or input. A compiler reads the whole source code at once, creates tokens, checks semantics, generate intermediate code, execute the whole program, and it may involve many passes. In contrast, an interpreter reads a statement from the input, convert it to an intermediate code, execute it, and then take the next statement in sequence. If an error occurs, an interpreter stops execution and reports it, whereas a compiler reads the whole program even if it encounters a several error. Then the next is the assembler. So assembler translate assembly language program into machine code. The output of an assembler is called an object file, which contain a combination of machine instruction as well as the data required to place these instructions in memory. Then the next is the linker. So linker is a computer program that link and merge various object files together in order to make an executable file. All these files might have been compiled by separate assemblers. So the major task of the linker is to search and locate the reference module routine in a program and to determine the memory location where these codes will be loaded, making the program instruction to have the absolute reference. So this is all about the preprocessor, interpreter, assembler and linker. Then what is loader? Loader is a part of operating system and it is responsible for loading executable files into a memory and execute them. It calculates the size of the program and create a memory space for it. It initializes various registers to initialize execution. Then cross compiler, a compiler that runs on platform and is capable of generating executable code for platform B, then it is called as a cross compiler. Then the next is source to source compiler, a compiler that takes the source code of one programming language and translates it into the source code of another programming language, then it is called as source to source compiler. Now a compiler which can broadly be divided into two phases, analysis phase and synthesis phase. So what is analysis phase? It is known as the front end of the compiler. The analysis phase of the compiler reads the source program, which divides it into a core part and then check for the lexical, grammar and syntax error. The analysis phase generates an intermediate representation of the source program and symbol table, which should be fed to the synthesis phase as input. So this is the diagram. Next, synthesis phase is known as the back end of the compiler. The synthesis phase generates the target program with the help of intermediate source code, representation and symbol table. The compiler can have many phases and passes. So pass means a pass refers to the traversal of a compiler through the entire program, and the phase means a phase of a compiler is the distinguishable stage which takes input from the previous stage, the process and yields output that can be used as a input for the next stage, and a pass can have more than one phase. So this is all about the introduction of the compiler. So these are the two phases, the analysis phase and synthesis phase of compiler.